Hello, all, it's Sharon. In today's video, I'm making some more apartment changes. So this is where our kitchen counter is, and we used to have a large, card table here, which I moved somewhere else, which I'll show you where that went to. But we got this really cool table that takes up like virtually no space when it's folded and down, and I will insert a clip when it's fully open. But one of our friends moved out recently, and she gave us this table and chair set for absolutely free. It is a little scuffed up. Nate kind of tried to repaint that corner there, but it's really cool because once it's open, it can sit a lot of people. It has a cool little drawer here, and then in here stores all the 4 chairs that it comes with, which I think is great. Or you can keep the chairs out and use this for other storage. But yeah, it's a really cool table. I know IKEA sells something similar to this. She says that she got this one on Amazon. And then on the other side, Nate already has some of his school supplies in here, but it has another drawer on this side as well. But yeah, it's a really cool table. So I'm going to show you what it looks like fully open. So yeah, when it's open, it's quite large. So yeah, I'm just going to keep it closed, folded in that area. But yeah, it's a really nice table. And this would sit probably 8 people. But it comes with the 4 chairs, so I'll show you what one of the chairs look like. Foldable chairs, really nice, and like I said, they fit in that bottom space really nicely. And the chair itself is, they got some weight to them, but they're not super heavy as well. But yeah, I really like this new table, and I kind of like it when it's this kind of layout where only the one side is folded out, because we could either put the chairs on either end or our stools, because my bed is like right there where the Montreal Canadiens pillow is. So yeah, I like how it's so compact. And a big thank you to that neighbor for giving us this table, because it's really cool. So I'm going to show you where I did with the card table. So actually my neighbors are outside at the moment, but we put the card table out on our balcony. So I'll just go out there quickly and kind of show you how the setup is. But I like having the card table on the balcony now, because if we want to eat outside, we can now. So it's really nice having it out there. So yeah, I've been loving sitting out there, especially now that it's fall time. It's so nice at nighttime. But anyways, I'm going to take you into Nate's room and show you what I plan in there, and then what I'm going to use from his bedroom for our front entranceway. And I'll show you a little change I made in the kitchen in case you missed Sunday's video. So over here I had put a organizer, like a toy organizer from Temu, and I'd moved his Spider-Man house out of the way. But then when he saw it, he said that he wants his Spider-Man house to remain in this corner. So that toy bin organizer, I think I'm going to move it to the front entranceway, and I'll show you what that mess is looking like. But he really wanted the Spider-Man house to stay where it was, so I moved it back in beside his closet here. And we are still looking for an actual like house for it, because I would like to use this rack for his clothing storage and like bedding and stuff like that. But for now, the Spider-Man house will stay in this corner. And this is the front entranceway, and this is where we keep all our outdoor stuff, and we use a lot of these items, but it gets all messy all the time. And what I notice is this rack here, it's starting to rip this like plastic fabric material, so this needs to go. I will say the metal bars for Nate's like stem building, but even at the bottom it's starting to rip. So I think I'm going to reorganize this all. And this is the toy organizer that I was talking about that I had in his bedroom originally, but I think all those outdoor toys might fit on this, and this will look more nicer, I guess, at the front entranceway. But yeah, so I'm going to start cleaning off that shelf, and we're going to reorganize it onto this shelf. But I got this shelf on one of those lightning deals on Temu for like $23, so I think it's going to be perfect. Yeah, so this rack here, I loved it. It was from Amazon, I believe. I don't know if they have this model anymore, but I love it. But I found that you cannot put a lot of weight on it because this started tearing. There's also that one's tearing there too. So this will have to repurpose. Like I said, Nate will love the bars and the connectors to build things with. But then up here, I moved the sunglasses rack off of this, over the door hanger. So the sunglasses are here now. And I'll show you all the outdoor toys. Also, I have these extra bins now, so hopefully I could use maybe these in Nate's closet somehow. But that's good that I have these ones. And then over here, I did reuse these two baskets because this shelf did come with 9 bins. One of the green ones was broken when I got it. And this was only supposed to have 3 levels, but I got one with 4 levels, so it was even better. So yeah, I have my gym shoes and regular shoes, sandals, and then some outdoor toys. And then Nate's remote control stuff is here. Nate is actually not here right now, so his other running shoes will go there. And then more balls and little birdies for badminton. And in here I put like binoculars, the little magnifying glasses, a lantern. His chalks are down here, ring toss, and like his Nerf bullets. And then here's like glow sticks and bubbles. And then this metal one I did keep over here because I like it. I can move it if I need to. So I have some water toys and some, I guess, like snowball making stuff, his football, his little bug catcher, his water shoes. And then I use this basket over here for the sand toys. And then there's his pool floaty and his soccer ball, and then our slippers. And then up here is where I fit the bike helmets. And then the umbrellas are at the back with the bike lock. And then this bin has the badminton rackets, pickleball rackets, more ring toss, stuff like that. And I really like the way this turned out. It looks more organized to me, even though for me it would never be perfect, I don't think, because I'm a Virgo and I like things a certain way, because I'm constantly rearranging everything. That's why I haven't showed you the homeschool area or his bedroom yet, because at nighttime I'm constantly moving things around. But I do like this setup a lot more now, so I'm going to show you one more change I made in my kitchen. So in case you didn't see Sunday's video, this is my new toy shelf that I have in the kitchen with more of my 80s and 90s little toys from like Happy Meals and little collectible toys. And this shelf was like one of those amazing deals for just under $24 on Temu. So I love how that turned out. And then when you come down here now, this top cutlery drawer is where I put the old toy shelf, and I organized our like cutlery in here. And I have this other one over here too, but I like this as our new cutlery bin. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Take care and bye for now.